Hi, my name is Jacqueline Roberts, and this is my AEP 859 introductory video. So a little bit about me personally. This is me and my husband actually before we got married. It's been 4 years since we traveled to Europe, but we both really love to travel and love history and love immersing ourselves in different cultures. We got married 3 years ago and are actually expecting our first child in September. This is me and my sister. She lives in Portland, Oregon, so this was me visiting her last fall. And then this is my husband, myself, my mom, and my dad at my gender reveal party. So we're having a girl. This is my little dog, Belle. She's 8 and is quite spicy. And then this kind of melds my personal life and my professional life. I'm on the far left. I ran with a bunch of staff from my school in the Colfax Marathon Relay. So even though I was pregnant, I did the longest leg, which was about just over 6 miles. So now I'm just walking. I'm not currently running. And then I work at Prospect Valley Elementary School. I teach 5th grade, and I have been there for 2 years. I have taught for a total of 8 years. And as far as my professional goals, I think currently I just would like to finish my master's program. Hoping to do that next summer. And then from there, maybe become a principal. I would love to become a principal at my school. My principal actually mentioned that when she retires that maybe I could kind of fit into that role. So we shall see. And finally, what do I really desire to get out of this course? I considered becoming an instructional coach. And I think that learning about how to design curriculum and assessments and really build from the standards is important. So I'm excited to learn more and kind of delve into that realm. Thanks a lot.